Well,
forms.
perhaps there is indeed a reason to revise and revisit your rules, because based on my reading of the rules, it says that these certifications will be part of the annex of the petition.
That's
It's
right.
not the petition itself.
That's right, Madam Chair, and that's
so
why...
the petition is separate from the annex. And if that is so, why is the COMELEC the one sending the petitions to the main office of COMELEC para mas madaling stapler nung... Hindi ba obligasyon ng petitioner to gather, upon submission, to gather the certifications? Of course, merong on file ang COMELEC.
Madam Chair, Your Honors, kaya po dalawang kopya, yung original po, yung po yung nasa proponent o kung sino nagbibigay. And then, the election officer will have to send a copy
For validation
for
purposes.
validation later in the event that a formal petition will be filed to COMELEC and will be used yung mga binigay namin certification ng mga local COMELEC
Yun yung
as
iatas.
Annex B.
As an annex, di ba?
Yes, Madam
Yung
Chair.
signature sheets will not even be an annex yet,
That's right.
right?
Madam.
It will remain in the offices of the EO.
That's right, Madam
Now
Chair.
that you've suspended it, what will happen to them?
Nakalagay po doon sa binasa, Madam Chair, ng ating kagalang-galang na Majority Floor Leader, either i-retrieve nila, ibalik nila sa amin yung mga certifications na inisyo namin, or pabayaan po nilang nasa mga opisina namin. We will just take care of
I
all this
understand that, but I would like to clarify, Chairman Garcia, may expiration date ba itong mga pinirmahan?
Wala po, Madam Chair,
So,
Your Honor.
pwedeng gamitin next year?
Depende po sa proponent if they will maintain the same provision of the Constitution that they wanted to amend, or they will be proposing a different provision of the Constitution.
So, magbabago lang kung may namatay, nag-abroad, o hindi na nakatira doon, o hindi bumoto ng 3 beses, o tatanggalin na sa voters list, yun lang yung magbabago doon.
That's right, Madam
But
Chair.
this exact same document that they have gathered thus far has no expiry date.
That's right, Madam Chair, Your Honors.
Thank you
Madam
for
Chair.
that clarification, Chairman Garcia.
Madam Chair.